Roof sealant repair in Baltimore, Maryland. Roof sealant is essential to protect the roof material from environmental damage, such as UV exposure and water infiltration, and helps preserve its life expectancy. Regular roof sealant repair is crucial for protecting the longevity of a building's roof, as any roof leaks or roof damages can result in costly roof damage to both the structure and its contents. Professional roofers can detect minor roofing issues before they turn into major roofing problems, resulting in cost savings and minimal disruption for homeowners. If you have noticed any potential issues, it is recommended that you contact an experienced roof repair company near Baltimore to schedule a consultation and discuss further options for repairing the problem. Ignoring roof sealant damage can lead to costly roof repairs and replacement of the roofing system, as well as mold growth that affects the air quality inside the home. Timely repair of roof sealant damage by experienced roofing contractors is crucial in preventing water penetration, rot, costly roof repairs or roof replacement, and mold growth that can affect air quality inside your home. Regular cleaning and roof inspection will help extend the life of your roof sealant while also providing protection against costly roof repairs down the road. Professional roof sealant repair is recommended over DIY repair as experienced contractors possess knowledge, tools, and warranties that help to guarantee a successful project, while DIY repair work carries risks of improper installations and costly mistakes. Trust McHenry Roofing for expert, reliable service. Contact us at https://mchenryroofing.business.site/ or give us a call at 410-774-6609 for a free estimate.